So welcome to the continuation. Let's continue. Here is new categorical data. Yeah, all this, from what I told you in regression, when you encode the training data, you must also encode the new data input. So that's why you have all this new categorical data. We are encoding these columns. We are encoding this country, gender, and that active member I told you about. We are encoding it again so that the model can read it. The model can know. We are one hot encoding it. This is the library responsible for that. The package responsible for that. Pre-processing, one hot encoder. So this is it. So you see all these codes here. The new data scaled, and after then we are going to predict for the new data, the new data prediction, the new data inputs we are going to, okay, and now we are printing it. This printing, this for I pred in enumerate and all that, it is just to arrange it. It is just to make sure it's not clustered in on one line. So it's just to arrange the results, and then we are going to print the probability of X features, all the features combined, and the probability of Y target. So let's run it. I'll explain the output. Yeah, so this is the output. Yes, so this is the output. I told you about this probability. This probability is anything above 0.5, the customer is going to churn. Anything above 0.5, you can see for each row that is above 0.5. For this, for the Y target, the customer churns. This is 1. Customer churns 1. For the new data input, look at the new data input. The customer churns. And then for the categorical column, there's something you need to know, very, very important for logistic regression. In this category, you cannot put anything outside of a category. You cannot input any new data outside of the data existing in the category, like France, Spain, and Germany. If you are going to input new data, new values here in other data, the categorical column, you cannot input new values. It must be either that France, Spain, and Germany all true, and the categorical column, male and female, for gender, it must either be male and female. So you cannot go and put new data value in a category. It is going to give you errors. And this one that is under 0.5, 0.4, we are getting 0. Can you see? So these ones here are for the input data, and this one at the right side is for the output data. So that is one of the most important things for performing an operations on logistic regression predictions for logistic regression. This is the categorical column. It must be the same categorical column you use in your data set: France, Spain, and Germany, male and female, active member 1 or 0. So that is it. If you don't go and put Nigeria, Ghana, don't put any other country again. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.